Hello and welcome back. GovDoc News, no opinions, just facts and summaries of government documents. You take it from there. Back with the Supreme Court order October 17th, 2025 in the case We the Patriots USA Inc. v. Ventura Unified School District. All right, here we have a denial of a writ of injunction by the Supreme Court. And this case centers on a challenge to California's school vaccination requirements, specifically those mandating certain immunizations for students to attend public schools. The plaintiffs argue that these mandates infringe on personal and parental rights, likely invoking constitutional claims. California law requires students to provide proof of immunization against diseases like measles, mumps, rubella, and others before enrolling in public or private schools, with limited exemptions for medical exemptions and previously a personal belief exemption, but that was restricted in 2016. The plaintiffs contend that the policy unconstitutionally burdens religious objections or parental autonomy, preventing unvaccinated children from attending school. This actually echoes previous cases brought by We the Patriots in 2023 having to do with the COVID vaccine mandates, where challenges brought were rejected. The initial complaint in this case was filed in May of 2025, seeking a temporary restraining order and preliminary injunction against the mandates. The district court in the Central District of California ruled that there was no genuine emergency and ruled against We the Patriots. There was an appeal filed to the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals on September 9th, 2025, where the court affirmed the denial set in place by the district court, upholding the reason on lack of irreparable harm. This was filed by the emergency application for a writ of injunction to the Supreme Court we are talking about today. The Supreme Court has denied that application. This means that California's vaccination requirements remain enforceable against the plaintiffs and similarly situated individuals. This case further shows the Supreme Court's reluctance to interfere in vaccine mandate disputes, consistent with prior rulings deferring to public health authorities in precedent-setting cases like Jacobson v. Massachusetts in 1905 that upheld vaccine mandates. Furthermore, this denial reinforces state authority over school health policies amid ongoing debates over vaccine exemptions. All right, Kaimo, keep your mind open, do your own research, form your own opinion. See you next time.